welcome to Roma's Kitchen. Have you ever tried Indonesian aromatic fried chicken called ayam goreng kuning? If you haven't, then you should try, because this dish is very delicious. Now I will show you how to make this delicious aromatic fried chicken ayam goreng kuning. I hope you enjoy this video. First, prepare these ingredients. In a bowl, add onion, garlic, galangal root, ginger, lemongrass, water, cooking oil, salt, sugar, coriander powder, turmeric powder, then puree. Then we need chicken. If you want, you can remove the skin. Combine chicken and paste in a bowl, mix, and marinate for 2 hours. Pour marinated chicken to a pot, turn on the heat. Add salam leaf, lime leaves, coconut milk, and simmer for about 1 hour. In the meanwhile, let's make sambal ketchup. Combine red onion, tomato, chili, then add salt, pepper, sweet soy sauce, and mix well. After 1 hour, the chicken should be tender. Turn off the heat and let it cool. Carefully fry the chicken. Here I'm using lid in order to protect me from flying hot oil. If you want the chicken to be crispy, then use lots of cooking oil. Fry until the color turns to golden brown. Put in a serving plate and drizzle with some sweet soy sauce. Delicious!